We have two quadratic equations on the spot. The first one, x plus 2 times x plus 4, it's equal to -1. The second one, x plus 2 times x plus 4, it's equal to 0. And let me tell you, one of this is easier than the other. Do the easier one first. Okay, which one did you guys do first? You guys should tell me. This one, right? And the reason is because we have this equal to 0 already. And then the best part is the left-hand side was factored for us already, right? So with that being said, we can just put down x plus 2 and we make this equal to 0. And then for the second factor, we can write down x plus 4 and we also make this equal to 0. And we can solve this by subtract 2, cancel, cancel, and then we get what? First answer, x equals to -2, right? And then for this one, same thing, right? -4, cancel, cancel, and then we get what? X, it's equal to 0 minus 4, that's -4. And we are done. These are the two answers, -2 and -4. That's it. And now, let's take a look of that one. This is also x plus 2, and this is x plus 4. Just the same as the left-hand side right here, right? But the right-hand side, we have a -1 in this case. This is not equal to 0. And let me just put down what you should not be doing, all right? Even though it looks really good that we have two factors right here already, but do not put down x plus 2 equals to -1 and x plus 4 equals to -1. And then don't be too excited, just put this down and then -2, and tell me that x is equal to -3, and this one -4, and tell me that x is equal to -5. If you did this, don't ever do that again. Cross it out as a way to remind yourself, don't ever do this again. Because the right-hand side is not 0. We cannot just set the first factor to be this number. We cannot just set the second factor to be this number. It only works when we have 0, and this is called the zero product property, all right? So this is the correct way to do it. Let me put down the original equation right here again. This is x plus 2 times x plus 4 equals to -1. To do this, we actually have to expand this first. Namely, we have to take this and multiply it out, FOIL it out, all right? X times x, that will give us x squared. And then we see that x times 4, that will give us 4x. And let me just put this down right here. This is the 4x. And next, we do 2 times x, which is 2x. I know I can combine terms. That's why I put down the 4x and 2x here. 4x plus 2x, that will give us plus 6x, isn't it? And then we do the last part. 2 times 4, that will give us 8. And this is what we have. And this is equal to -1. You see, we have to multiply this out first. And then this is equal to -1. I need to make this equal to 0. So let's go ahead and add 1 on both sides. Cancel this out. And we will see the left-hand side is x squared plus 6x, and 8 plus 1 is 9. And this is equal to 0, okay? And right here, we can factor it, all right? Because we have the 0 on the right-hand side. And this is also factorable. So since this is just a 1, so we can just put down parentheses, x and x. What times 4 give us 9? And together, they add up to be positive 6. Well, we need plus 3, isn't it? 3 times 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is all we need. This is equal to 0. And you do notice that these two factors are the same, right? So in fact, you can just write this down as I need to have x plus 3 equals to 0. Just do it one time, right? Because it's the same factor anyway. At the end, -3, cancel this out. So we will end up x is equal to, we only have one answer in this case, -3. And this right here is the actual answer, all right? Maybe earlier you cut the -3, but this was false right here. But once again, x is equal to -3. This is the only answer. this question was designed so that if you did this, you actually have no points on the test whatsoever. Be sure you do it this way. All right? And comment down below, let me know if you did this right or not. That's it.